Planning a trip to the Eternal City? Think again if you believe Rome is all about pizza and Colosseum selfies. Rome has hidden rules, unexpected surprises, and cultural shocks that can either make or break your visit. In this video, we reveal 10 shocking Rome travel tips you must know before stepping foot in this ancient marvel. Stick around, tip number 7 might just save you from an embarrassing fine. Tip number 1, water is free and delicious. Forget buying bottled water. Rome is dotted with public fountains called nasoni that pump fresh, drinkable water 24/7. Locals use them all the time. Bring a refillable bottle and drink like a true Roman. Just don't let the tourists catch you paying €3 for water. Tip number 2, dress codes are real. Planning to visit the Vatican or any major basilica? Shorts and sleeveless tops will get you turned away, no exceptions. Always carry a scarf or shawl if you're not properly covered. The dress code here is strict, and breaking it means missing out on unforgettable sights. Tip number 3, the pickpocket capital of Europe? Yes, Rome is beautiful, but it's also notorious for pickpockets, especially around Termini Station, crowded buses, and major landmarks. Always use a crossbody bag, keep zippers closed, and never keep your phone in your back pocket. Tip number 4, sit down, pay more. Here's a surprise, you'll pay extra just to sit down at a cafe. It's called the coperto, or table fee. You could end up paying triple just for having your coffee at a table. If you're on a budget, drink your espresso like the locals, standing at the bar. Tip number 5, no cappuccino after morning. Ordering a cappuccino after 11 a.m., that's a red flag for locals. Italians consider milk-based coffee a breakfast-only drink. Want to blend in? Stick to espresso shots afternoon. It's cheaper, quicker, and more authentic. Tip number 6, don't trust the crosswalk. Pedestrian crossings in Rome might as well be decorative. Cars rarely stop unless you confidently start crossing. Make eye contact with drivers, walk assertively, and pray. It sounds intense, but it's how locals survive. Tip number 7, you could be fined for sitting in the wrong place. Rome has started cracking down on tourists sitting on historic monuments, steps, or even in fountains. The Spanish Steps, for example, are off limits for sitting. Fines can reach hundreds of euros. Always check signs and follow local rules, or pay the price. Tip number 8, restaurants might be closed when you're hungry. Want lunch at 3 p.m.? Good luck! Most traditional Roman restaurants close between lunch and dinner hours. Lunch typically runs from noon to 3 p.m., and dinner starts around 7:30 p.m. Plan your meals carefully, or you'll be left with snacks. Tip number 9, tipping isn't required, but appreciated. Unlike in the US, tipping in Rome is not expected. A service charge is usually included in your bill. But if you really liked the service, a small tip of a couple of euros is welcomed and appreciated. Tip number 10, museums are free sometimes. Here's a hack. Many museums in Rome, including the Colosseum and Roman Forum, offer free entry on the first Sunday of every month. Just be ready for big crowds. It's a great way to save money if you plan your trip accordingly. Rome is a city that rewards those who are prepared and punishes the clueless. With these 10 shocking tips, you're now ready to explore like a pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which city we should uncover next.